Hi, welcome back to 1/6 RC Tank Workshop. In this video, I'll be showing you some videos I took of the Bovington Panther, and also we have a photo gallery at the end. Just a brief introduction to this Panther. It's described as a late war Panther, a G model. It's not actually a wartime Panther at all. It was built after the war. It was built under supervision of the Royal Electrical Mechanical Engineers, built at a factory outside Hanover in the British occupied sector. Here we have one of my favourites, the Panther. Here we can see the shirts and holders. There was originally a plan to build a Panther 2 with much thicker armour, but they came up with the idea of putting these tin metal sheets. There was a worry that anti-tank rifles could penetrate the lower hull here, but these plates on the outside dissipate the impact. Various tool racks fitted, but the tools are not on them. This one doesn't have the driver's viewport. Ball mount for the MG. Here you have a gun support. A transport support for the gun. Bosch headlight. You can follow where the power cable goes into the hull. Front mud guards. Here we can see where the cable for the Bosch headlight enters the hull. This is the tube for the radio antenna and gun cleaning rods. Hull mounted tools. C-hook would fit here. Rear jack position. Lots of nice details to model here. Here we have the crew storage bins. Original latches are missing. Oh, here's one that's open. Which is light sheet metal. This is one of the most important components on a German tank. Metal bucket. Here we have the driver's periscope. It's a swiveling type, so you can get some adjustment on movement. Whereas the radio operator's periscope is fixed. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Now I'll run the photo gallery and I'll put some links for other videos towards the end.